Life is a gift.
It was given to you with moments of joy,
laughter,
and celebration.
There were also tough times. You tried to press on,
unsure of the road ahead.
but you were shaken to your very foundation.
CareView exists
to help you rebuild.
To be a people in whom God lives.
To be a people in whom the Word is alive.
To be a people in whom there is missionary zeal.
To be a people being healed and restored to God.
To be a people in submission to the will and way of God.
To be a people actively engaged in the work of God.
to be a people daily experiencing the power of God. CareView is not a building, it's a people, and it will take people like you to rebuild. Help us continue to be a community of restoration.